Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 27th April 2024. In this video, I'm going to generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. And some instructions, important instructions to all the new members who completed supply demand zone course or about to complete the course. You have to do the exercise. From the daily income trade, please take all the stocks and draw the zones from both bullish and bearish trade setup. As per the report, whatever the leg-in, leg-out timestamps are available in the report, accordingly draw the zone. After that, you can further analyze. But two important exercises you have to do. The first one is you need to identify the RR between demand and supply zones from type 1 proximal and also type 2 proximal line. And the second thing you have to do in your entry zone, the fine-tuned 5-minute zone is available or not, you need to identify for each stock. And after that, in Monday's trading, you can observe how many of these stocks got the trades, how much profits they got. You need to observe. So this is the exercise I'm giving you. And also, whatever the video I already posted for monthly income trade, weekly income trade, also you should repeat the same exercise. So please do it during this weekend. Now I'm going to generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. Even before that, those who want to learn demand and supply zone, I have provided the supply demand zone course playlist link at our community section. Go to the community, you have the playlist link available, course playlist. Just click the link, you will get into this page, supply demand zone price action course. You can scroll down, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please complete all these lessons and strengthen your skills. I also provided the link to Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join that channel, it will be helpful to you. Because every time when I release a new video, I am providing an update in that channel. Okay, now let me get into the report generation. The first report I am going to generate bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. And bullish trade setup, entry zone is a demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, because this is our entry time frame, I need to select the setup as bullish. And three filters I am going to set. The first, I don't want pierced zones. So that's why I want only zones having pierced count 0. So this is the pierced count parameter. In 15 minutes time frame, that is entry time frame, minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0. Because entry zone is demand zone. The demand zone, if any of these zones are having pierced count 0, those stocks only will be filtered. And the second one, zone achievement, I am selecting violated opposing zone, VOZ. And minimum odd enhancer score, I am selecting 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. So let me filter the stocks. So 16 stocks are filtered. For all these 16 stocks, you need to draw the zones using this leg-in, base and leg-out candle. You need to draw both demand and supply zones. Then only you will be able to calculate what is the RR is available from type 1 proximal as well as a type 2 proximal of your demand zones. After that, the zone is having fine-tuned 5-minute zone is available or not, you need to identify. So please do this exercise. Now I move on to the next report. See, if anybody wants to refer this report, pause the video. And then you can draw the zones on your charts. And you can also study all the columns in this chart. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, I clearly explained how to understand this report in detail in lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So please complete that video, then you will understand what is the meaning of each of these columns. Every abbreviation also you will understand in detail. So I'm going back, I'm going to generate bearish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, Now I am selecting bearish. Now let me generate, because the filters whatever we set, all the 3 filters are there. Now 6 stocks are filtered. All these 6 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. For these 6 stocks also you need to draw the zones and you need to do the exercise. Finding the RR for type 1 and type 2 proximal lines, and also finding if the zone is having fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Okay, now let me generate bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. You need not analyze the hourly income trade stocks. In case if you want, that is your wish. But it's better I suggest for experienced people, hourly income trade stocks. So for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish. And 3 filters we are going to set. The first filter, we don't want pierced zones. So that's why in the pierce count, 5 minutes time frame, minimum value I am setting 0. Maximum value I am setting 0. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, VOZ. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let me generate the report. So 16 stocks are filtered. They are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. So let me go back and generate the bearish trade setup. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. Bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bearish. And the filters remain same, whatever we already set. 3 filters. Now I am generating the report. Now 5 stocks are filtered. All these 5 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. And the last report is stop buffers based on daily ATR. Let me generate. Based on daily ATR. These are the stop buffers for all the stocks and indices. First 17 are indices, remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. And use 5% ATR for daily income trade, 3% ATR for hourly income trade. So let me scroll down the list. I'll be giving you only few seconds time. So you need to pause the video and you need to refer your stocks. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.